fun of me. Keep your rock star glasses
Michael
on.
J.
I know karate.
Where do you have those grandma glasses on, Clifford?
They are my rock star glasses. I am a professional librarian.
Oh, yeah?
I know Taekwondo and Germany. See,
Germany.
Uno.
Uncle Jake speaks German.
Really?
Yeah.
Who's he?
Who's who?
You.
I'm your math teacher.
What? I thought there was no school today.
You're right, there's no school.
Good. Now, no one will go math today. I'll be fine with tomorrow.
Here.